Welcome to Habilite EdTech. Today we have this question. In the diagram above, the ratio of the electric power dissipated in the 6 ohms and 3 ohms resistor respectively is. We have the following option. Option A, 2:3, 1:2, 1:3, and 2:1. Now, how do we solve this kind of question? This is a JAMB question or any other external or internal exam. Now, the first thing is that we need to find the equivalent resistance of this parallel arrangement, and that is R total equals to R6 times R3 over R6 plus R3, and that is 6 times 3 over 6 plus 3. This is 18 over 9, which is equals to 2 ohms. We want to look at the power dissipated in the 6 ohms and the 3 ohms resistor respectively. Now, how do we find the power dissipated in the 6 ohms and the 3 ohms resistor? Remember a formula that says P equals to IV. Now, the power is unknown, the I is unknown, but we have the voltage that is connected between this parallel arrangement. Now, the first thing is to find the current, which is I, that flows through 6 ohms and that flows through 3 ohms. Now, how do I use that? Now, using the Ohm's law, V equals to I have. What is my V? My V is what? 12. Now, this one is the current that flows through 6 ohms times the resistor is what now? 6. Divide both sides by 6 by 6. Then I have I of C equals to what now? 2 amps. So it means that a 2 amps current will flow through a 6 ohms resistor. Now, let us look for 3 ohms also. Now, that is V equals to I of what now? 3 ohms times resistor of what now? 3. That is 12 equals to I of 3 times the resistor is what now? That is 3. Divide both sides by 3 by 3. I of 3 equals to what now? 4 amps. So I have that as my 4 amps. So I know the amount of current that flows through what now? 6 ohms, and the amount of current that flows through what now? 3 ohms. Now, how do I find the power? Now, let us recap. P equals to IV. Remember, the question says I should find the ratio of the electric power dissipated in the 6 ohms and the 3 ohms resistor. So this one will be for the what? The 6 ohms resistor. Now, that is the power for the 6 ohms resistor equals to what is this one? This is the current flowing across 6 ohms resistor. And what is the current flowing across 6 ohms resistor? That is what? 2 amps. That is 2 times. What is the voltage? The voltage is what? 12. Then I will have here as what? 24 watts. Now, let us look for the 3 ohms. And that is what also? What is the current there? The current is 4. 4 times, what is the voltage? The voltage is what? 12. And that is what now? 48 watts. So therefore, we have P of 6 ratio P of 3. And that is 24 ratio 48. So from here, I can say 24 divided by 48. So here 1, here what? Here 2. So the answer is 1:2. Thank you for watching.